Oh, unbox that box.
Oh man. You guys at a convenient point because I just got a big knife. Easy.
Ooh.
Right.
So let's look at the HoloLens in detail here. Again, we have the case. This is HoloLens right here. And when we open it up, you get the lens cloth with a Microsoft logo on it. And padding here. It's a micro USB cable. It's a power adapter, USB port right there. It flips, spring loaded, and a clicker. Not really sure what's this. Well, I guess instead of using the gestures, you just click this. There's a micro USB port on there, I guess to charge it. Extra nose support. It goes on the nose, the bridge of your nose, like this. And the headset itself. Shutter phone. So what you have here is a couple cameras on one side, another camera in the front, a couple more cameras on the other side here, Microsoft logo on the side. That's the speaker grill right there at the bottom here, so that would be sitting right on top of your ear. On this other side of that is this is brightness control. This thing flexes. Is a wheel that you turn to adjust the tightness of the headband. Then this thing is the power button with the lights indicator. Tells you how much battery is there, when it's charging, when it's on and stuff. At the bottom, USB port for charging, audio port, and then going along here, speaker grill again on the other side, and on top of it is the volume control. And yeah, so you basically would wear it like this, right? So it sits on an angle on your head. You adjust this to tighten it around your head, and then you adjust the visor itself, front and back, so that it's sitting right on top of your nose. Yeah. Alright, so that's how it looks, and that's what you get in the carrying case. So yeah, let's go try it on. Yeah, so that's how it looks when I'm wearing it. Yeah, so side profile, front. Yeah, so like I said, the band sits in an angle like this. Adjust it like that. You move this front and back so that it's right against your nose. Alright, let's go turn it on. Did it turn on? Nope, probably not. Let's turn it on. I think it's turning on. Oh, there it is. So the first thing you see is says trying to map your surrounding. It's a graph. It blinks. And then you see a start menu, which you can close by doing this. You can bring up the start menu again by doing this. Yeah, so what you see is, well, besides the start menu, cursor is represented with a dot that you can move around by turning your head around, up and down. And when you want to select something, you hold you say select. Yeah, and then it selects it. Or you can by doing this. You can do it by doing this. You hold it. The cursor changes into a circle instead of a dot to let you know that it's detecting that you are ready to select something. And then to click and select, you just go like that. Do it again, and go like that. So right now I just launched Galaxy Explorer. It's pretty neat app. Shows you the galaxy in 3D. And you see solar system. You can place it in one place. You can walk around it. You see planets and stars. It's awesome. Yeah. So you can go to the start menu again. You can launch other apps. Launch Edge here. And you can place it in one place there. And yeah, it's gonna stay there. It'll turn around. It's still there. I can actually move away or towards it. It stays there. It looks like it looks like a painting just on the wall there. It doesn't move at all. Yeah. All right, so that's what I'm seeing there, and the actual display is actually just this small, just that small, right? About that much. Everything is just your surroundings, and the display is there. So there's like a harsh cutoff. I actually expected more, like considering how big this thing is. The goggles, like how big it is. Like I thought that the display would be bigger. Like compared to a Vive, the Vive, we have a few of them at work, and yeah, basically it's hard to see the edges of the image on the Vive. Like you really have to look down or side to see it. Not with this one. This one is like you see the edges right away. Like, you know, yeah, just like that. But aside from that, you know, it sounds good. Like this thing is, yeah, it sounds like someone's talking just right there. Yeah, and start menu. Awesome. Hey Cortana. And then it says that it's listening, and it's typing what I'm saying there. For some reason it launched Edge. I guess it's, oh yeah, obviously it's searching for what I just said. Cool. Alright, so that's HoloLens. Thanks for watching.